Bro, guys, look. Like, literally, there's some strong wind. I think this is in Kosovo. If you don't know, just search it. Bro, it's starting raining, bro. This is serious mad, bro. The clouds are literally moving 70 miles. Bro, the clouds are literally moving so fast right now. I seen them so fast moving. Like, I think it's 100% a tornado. Tornado, bro. Oh shit, serious wind is happening. I'm gonna retreat in 30 seconds. Okay. Yo, guys, look. Bro. Yeah, bro. Do you think is this a tornado? Do you see even the rainbow? Look at the rainbow. Tornado. Fucking ass tornado gonna be, bro. Yo, they're literally moving so fast, bro. But damn, bro. Yeah, I think it's the end. Serious wind in Kosovo. I'm getting wet, by the way. I really want to see some formation, bro. Look, the rainbow is fully formed. I think I'm gonna close it now. This what, bro. This is so serious, matter of fact. Serious wind happening. God damn, bro. I know I'm not the meteorologist, but I'm telling you for sure that it's moving. Bro, is this so serious right now, bro? I hope it gets some likes and views. Bro, this is so serious, bro. Now they're just drifting. Okay, we're going back to formation. I think is that the wall cloud. But maybe it's a tornado. Like I'm gonna see in the